V-memory. Overview of technology. V-memory is the next-generation memory with speed up to 1 million times faster than conventional flash memory. What is the difference in speed of 1 million times? This is the difference between the speed of jet and the light. Technology product introduction. Structure and operation of flash memory. Existing flash memory works by applying voltage to the gate to charge and discharge electrons to the floating gate. The speed of flash memory is milliseconds when the electrons are charged to the floating gate. The life of flash memory does not work when the number of recorded data is over 100,000 times and the membrane is contaminated. The data retention period of the flash memory is about 5 years, and after a certain period of time, the electrons are discharged little by little and the data is lost. Now, let's look at the structure of V-memory and how it works. Feature. V-memory consists of V-material layer and source, drain, and gate terminals. It does not need floating gate of existing memory. So V-memory is a non-volatile memory that does not need capacitor function. Principle. V-memory records 0 and 1 by generating and deleting VL, which is a variable line through which current flows in V-material layer. Speed. Why is V-memory so fast? Since the time to create and destroy the variable line VL on the V material is picosecond to nanosecond, the speed difference is 1 million times faster than the flash memory when nanosecond. V-memory can be used semi-permanently because there is no contamination film of flash memory. In addition, the data retention period is semi-permanent, similar to a self-contained HDD. The existing flash memory process goes through 6 steps: diffusion process, photo process, etching process, ion implantation process, and polishing process. On the other hand, V-memory process consists of the other processes except the ion implantation process. As a result, V-memory is 50% simpler, so manufacturing cost can be reduced and the existing production line can be used as it is. Comparing V-memory with flash memory, the process is 50% simpler, reducing manufacturing costs. Also, the speed differs between milliseconds and nanoseconds, which is a million times different. The life of V-memory can be used semi-permanently compared to flash memory. Flash memory causes data loss after a period of about 5 years, but V-memory is similar to a magnetic field method, which can preserve data semi-permanently. In summary, V-memory can outperform conventional flash memory beyond the performance required by the fourth industry.